And most people try to solve external problems when they're really just internal problems. The reason why I think we're relatively successful at doing what we do is I spent a lot of time thinking and analyzing our show. How do I need to change? What books do I need to read? Who do I need to study? What do I need to become so that people are interested in us? Now, before we went on air, I said, look, I'm willing to sing songs and to dance because I can't do either if that's what it takes. I don't just look at like, okay, I'm good at this. I'm going to just do more of that and hope that it will change. Mm-hmm. So I'm willing to do this. So I spend an inordinate amount of time studying successful people. So this is what Jim Rohn says, success leaves clues. The thing is, you just need to be willing to look for them. One of the things that I love to do is I like to watch people and I like to study them. I'm studying people all the time. So if somebody is doing something really well, I start to think like, how did they begin that conversation? What are they wearing? What's their body language like? How are they leaning in or leaning out of the conversation? And I make notes all the time. Mm-hmm. And so I like to kind of steal whatever traits or habits or behavior, even if I don't understand the inner workings, and do that. And really, I study comedians.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I watch their stage presence. And I'm not very different than either of you guys in that I'm extremely introverted too, but I've had to change.